YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the Tommy Hilfiger's Crewneck sweater. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I got this out of the Desert Here Premium Outlet by Cabazon. So this is 50% off. Let's go ahead and take this one out real quick. So as you can see, there's a big font or letterings say Hilfiger with this cream red and then navy color on the patch in the mid section of the chest. I'm not sure this is iron on or stitch on. Let's see real quick. So this one is stitch on, which is good. It's not gonna fall off. Then this one was retail for $89.99. Got this 50% off on the Black Friday sales. So it's about $45 plus tax. As you can see, Tommy Hilfiger, large, made in China. Got this ripped collar right here around the neck. Got the ripped on the cuffs. And also on the hem. It's a pretty nice thick material, feels pretty strong and elastic. So there is a security tag right here. It says remove before wearing or cleaning. Made in China. Why is everything made in China or Vietnam? So on the back there's a stitching right there for the back label. Alright, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one, like always. Peace. I'm gonna try on the body for you guys to check it out.
Hey,